Hi, my name is Alma Yanez, and this is my digital citizenship project and how I incorporate the UDL guidelines. So this is my page. I did my project on privacy and security. I did 3 Instagram posts, and this is the first one. What makes a password a strong password? It must have the following: use 8 characters or more, use numbers and symbols, use uppercase and lowercase letters. Most important, do not use personal information. My second post is this one. Do not share your personal information on social media, such as address, social security, password, birthday, age, location, phone number. And this is my third one. It's about clickbait, and also that all you have post or have on your devices is also on the web. Um, Also to be aware of your surroundings. When you have a friend on social media, it's not really a friend because you never know if having a friend on person is not the same as having a friend on social media. What is clickbait? Clickbait is a form of false advertisement to attract attention to view, read, or click as a link with misleading online content. So we have to be aware of what you click on, because sometimes you might share your personal information or the information that you have on your devices. So now we're gonna go to your UDL guidelines. Uh, what I what I represent on my Instagram post was the what of learning. I focus on language and symbols, clarify vocabulary and symbols, clarify syntax and structure, and the comprehension, activate and simply background and knowledge. So this is what I incorporate from the Universal Design of Learning Guidelines in my Instagram post. Um, in the future, I would like to incorporate more of the why and the how of learning. Um, and and for example, the sustaining effort and persistence. Also, the creating interest. So have more. So minimizing threats and distractions, and optimize individuals' choice and autonomous. That's everything for now.